Hey guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find and replace text in Google Docs. So what you want to do, ensure that you click on your Google Docs document and press Ctrl plus H on your keyboard, and you will bring up the find and replace option, right? Now, another way how you can do this, if you don't know the shortcut or the hotkey to do that, is to go to your edit from the menus here and go to find and replace. It's going to bring it up as well. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to find and replace the word plan here. So all I have to do is just go ahead and type in the word plan. And guess what? It is not case sensitive. You can simply type it in lowercase as well. It's going to find it. And here, what you want to do is put in the replace with. So let's say I want to replace it with the word guide. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to enter that. You can go ahead and you can choose the options if you want to ignore or match a certain word, or you can go ahead and you can choose if you want to ignore certain things or you want to match a certain thing. It's really up to you if you want to do that. And once you do that, guys, just simply go ahead and hit find and replace. You can do the replace all if you want to replace all word in the document, right? It's really up to you. Or you can use the next option to find where those words are. So if it's in a certain part of the document, you can either use the previous or next to find it in a specific part of the document, and then you can go ahead and simply hit replace. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go ahead and replace just the single one from the top. So I'm going to simply go ahead and ensure that I use the previous or the next to find the one at the top, like I did there, and simply click on replace. And you will see immediately that it replaces it. Now I'm going to show you another way. Let's say I want to replace the word, let's say I want to replace the word plan again with the word guide. But this time I'm going to go ahead and search for where it is. As you can see, it is in the document, few other places. So I'm going to simply go ahead and click replace all and go ahead, and that's it. So if I go ahead and look for where it is in the document, you will see if I press Ctrl plus H again and simply look for the word guide, you will see that the word guide is in a couple places in the document. And here it is because I've looked for the word plan and I've replaced it in all parts of the document. But that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys. I've managed to find and replace all 5 words in the document. Easy as that. If you found value in this video, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, guys. And of course, on top of that, hit that subscribe button to become a part of this growing community, and so that you'll never miss out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.